A robot made of paper. Each joint of it can be moved. What we use today is sandpaper. Roll it up with a pencil. After applying glue to it, roll it up. Use this fine stick to roll a thick stick. We got one thick and one thin. 2 paper sticks. Cut off a 3 centimeter tube on the thick stick. Cut off a 2 centimeter length on the thin stick. Apply glue to the thin tube. Put it in the thick tube. Stick it to the side. Continue to cut off a 4 centimeter long thick tube. Stick it to the part just now. There is a thin piece here. It can be inserted. Then punch a small hole in this connection. Pull it down. Leave the 2 sides of the small hole. Cut off the rest. Cut it into a circle. It won't get stuck when you turn the joint. Put it in. Take a toothpick and put it through the hole. You can connect the joints together. It's best to add a drop of glue on both sides. Cut off the excess toothpicks. A joint that can move. Put your feet on it. The same way. Insert a thin paper tube. Put on a 2 centimeter tube. Punch a small hole. Cut off the excess part. Put it on. Insert a toothpick to connect the feet. Small legs and big legs. Make another leg. The hand is the same. The hand will be shorter